Okay, I've melted up some beeswax and poured it already into one. Kind of verified that it's not going to leak. Let's just duct tape holding the bottom. Oop. May have to scrape some off the back side, and I may have to see about whatchamacallit to get it all level. Okay, on the clean out side of this, what I'm going to have to do, because I don't want to use a chemical to make it that the paint goes away, I need to probably just boil the wax and then hand wipe it down. It may mean it's going to be a little thicker, but that's not going to matter. These are making plugs, and that's going to turn this into a 3-piece mold. It'll work, it'll happen, don't worry about it. Let's see about getting... Okay, that little bit of glob of wax right there, once it solidifies, I'll use it to like clean up. What you can do is you can warm it with your fingers and then just use it to take out any mist spots on the paint, etc.